Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick Lishi video here. I have a Schlage kick cylinder, and it came out of a brand new lever. I had to swap it for a Sargent keyway, and I actually usually just stick the keys in these and hang on to them, but I didn't on this one. I don't know what happened to the keys, so try some freehand Lishi action here. See if we can get it to focus. Okay, and so start on number 5 here. Tiny click on 5. Click on 4. 3, 2, 1. And touch 4 one more time, and we are open. So now we can go ahead and decode it. A little electronic writing board here. Alright, so number 1 looks like we are at a number 2. Five. 7. 6, and I think that is going to be a 5. So 2, 5, 7, 6, 5. Let me go cut a key here and we'll make sure that it works. I'll be right back. Alright, so got the key cut right here. Lock it back. And key works like smooth as butter, so perfect. Have questions, comments, leave them in the comments, and that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.